My name's Neil Stevens. I'm from England. I came to China, Zhuhai, straight away actually, 9 years ago now. And I'm a teacher, as you've seen today, in QSI School in Zhuhai. I have a passion for teaching children, working with children. I love what children are like. They're amazing. It's a privilege to be with small children and seeing what they do and seeing them change over a year. I have a passion for that. Those children were brilliant. They're so positive in reaction and enthusiastic about what they're hearing. And you can't help but love that. It's brilliant. I have a Chinese wife and we live with my wife's parents as well. We have 2 daughters. Very lucky. I love sport. I could say it's number 1. In Zhuhai, we get lucky with the coastal wind. You could just choose a different sort of part of the city to go up and down each weekend. You come home to Zhuhai, you just think that this is a place to be. This place looks lovely. It looks gorgeous. Sunshine and all that. There's so much greenery here. It keeps a lot of flowers and plantations and trees. It's beautiful to look at. And then you have the coast, the sea, and it's really well kept. That's the biggest thing.